Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Here we go. 2 pasture-raised eggs. Oh, some bacon. Cucumber. Cheddar cheese, sourdough bread, Duke's mayo. Greetings, Mike Foster here. Guess what it is? It's another fried egg sandwich. It's been a while since I made a killer fried egg sandwich. This one's got bacon, fresh cucumbers, melted cheese on the eggs, on sourdough bread, and Duke's mayo. I already said it, and I said it again. All we have to do is, I'm going to prep that cuke, get this pan going, cook those, fry those eggs up. Fast, simple, easy, killer sandwich. Can't wait. All right, we got a medium pan. We got some butter. All right, get it coated medium. Here's 1 egg. Perfection. Here's his twin brother, Billy. Let's give these guys a little pepper. All right, these guys are ready for us. Flipperoo. That one. There's the baby. Take the cheese, cover them, put this on low. Melt these down. When that toast is done and these are melted, put this baby together. This is lightly toasted. I'm going to put some mayo on both sides. Why does mayo always make these noises? Okay, spread it around. Okay, now we're going to take these cukes, slice them nice and thin. You know what I'm saying? Well, we got a few extras, put a few on each side. Here's the baby right here. Bacon. Bacon. Yeah, in case you forgot, that's called bacon. Put a little of the mayo from that guy right there. All right, cucumbers love a little pepper and a little salt. And that's it. Now we got these eggs. I'm gonna put 1 here. Oh, that's gorgeous. Put the other baby right there. You guys ready for the flipperoo? I am. Flipperoo. Presseroo. Let's all get excited for the old sliceroo. I am. The old reveal. Oh, look at that. It's got a killer close-up of that. There's the close-up. Big bite coming up. Can't wait. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. What's in it? Fried egg, bacon, cucumber, some cheese, mayonnaise. Oh man, the egg is exploding. Let's see if it explodes with flavor. You know why people order bacon and eggs in a restaurant? Because they go together. You can taste that bacon, the egg, creamy, the cuke is fresh. I got it right there. That Duke's mayo. Hey, I'm part of this sandwich. As usual, egg. Creamy from that yolk, all held together by this gorgeous sourdough bread. Gorgeous, that's the word. Easy to make. Check out the rest of my videos at Live Life 365 on YouTube. Tell people about them. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
All right, get that baby going. Ooh, that's a little in my book. Might be too much. All right, these are. That's beautiful. If I've seen things. Line them up. How's that looking? Look at this cucumber. He wants to be a solo act. Oh. Sweet baby bubble. Hope everyone's having a great day, month, year, life. Baba.